Hi guys, it's Sarah here. So in this video, I just want to talk quickly about finding tenants. A lot of times I speak to clients and they say to me, I'm really excited about getting started in property. I'm really excited. I really want to do it. But what if I can't find tenants? What if I get a buy to let and I can't find someone to live there? What if I take on a rent to rent and I can't fill the rooms? What if? I get it, I do, I understand. There's always this uncertainty that you may not fill rooms, you may have voids. Now, there's a couple of key things to understand here. The first one is that when you do your numbers, factor in a buffer for voids, because with all the will in the world, you're not gonna have 100% occupancy all of the time. Nobody does, right? It's really important to understand that even if you have 100% almost, you've got a period from between when the tenants move out to when the tenants move in. You've sometimes got a few days even. Voids doesn't necessarily mean months and months. It could just literally be a few days at a time. But during that period, nobody's paying rent, okay? And then you've got the other end of the spectrum, which is where you've got voids for months and months and months, weeks and weeks and weeks, and you can't find anybody. Now, usually, if you can't find tenants, it's for one of two reasons. Either your accommodation isn't good enough compared to what else is out there, or it's overpriced compared to what else is out there. Because there is demand. In every part of the UK, there are tenants that want somewhere to live. But you need to be able to give them a product that they actually want to pay for, just like anything, okay? So we have like an in-house, it's kind of a phrase that we use, which is Prada product at Primark price, okay? If you put out the best product you possibly can, but you charge at the same price that your competitors that are putting out lower products charge, you're always gonna end up with customers. So put out a better product at the same price as your competitors and your rooms will always be filled, your houses will always be filled. Also, treat your tenants like you wanna be treated. Would you live in that house? Would you let your daughter or your son live in that house? If you wouldn't, then it's not good enough for a tenant either. Up your game, put a better product out into the marketplace, and you'll never ever have voids, other than you change over voids, but you'll never have long periods of voids. Don't go cheap, don't cut corners. Consider your tenants customers. Give the best customer experience that you can, and you'll always have a really solid pipeline of people that want to move into your homes.